What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Yeah, I have been using this one for a while and I'm in love with this one. Actually, I didn't like Xiaomi Smart Band 8 because that one is a bit too small for me. So I have been using a Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, and when Xiaomi has released this Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, I was so excited. I wanted to get one and yeah, I had to buy this one. Xiaomi didn't send it for free. Anyway, I have already unboxed it and I have been using it for a while, but we will start from unboxing because I have recorded the unboxing video. But before everything, one request. If you find this video helpful, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Well, let's start from unboxing. But before that, how much does it cost? This one costs around 399 RMB, which is equivalent to 58 US dollars. If Xiaomi released this one in global market, then it may cost around 70 to 80 US dollars. That's what I guess. I cannot say it for sure. Okay, if this one goes beyond 85 US dollars in global market, then I think this one will lose its appeal because at 85 US dollars, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro won't offer very good value for money. Well, before we do the unboxing, let's check some features that Xiaomi has printed at the back of the box. 1.74-inch AMOLED screen, GNSS, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, sleep monitoring, 100 plus sports modes, professional sports effects evaluation, smart AI, a lot of different watch faces, NFC, 50 meters waterproof, and very long battery life. They didn't mention how long, it just says very long battery life. All these things are written in Chinese because at this moment this is a China only product. Xiaomi Band 8 Pro is packed with a 289 mAh battery, supports any smartphone running on Android 6.0 or above, and in the Apple world it requires iOS 12 or above. Wow, this one supports Bluetooth 5.3, 5 ATM waterproof, so yeah, we can definitely wear Xiaomi Band 8 Pro and go swimming. Well, let's quickly do the unboxing. Inside the box there is a user manual, but it's in Chinese. One more time, this is a China-only product. This is our Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Let's put this aside and, well, Xiaomi has provided a USB-A based proprietary charging cable. This is a bit different than Xiaomi Bands. This one is a bit more premium. I have bought this white colored one because I prefer the color. There are many other different colors. I will try to buy all the different colored bands and then we'll do a review or comparison between the colors. I personally like this design. Appearance is also very good. It's not like this one has a better design language or very unique design language. This one is pretty similar to many other watch bands like Huawei, Honor. They have similar design. But the chrome accent around this Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro looks so very gorgeous. It has a very posh and elegant outlook. Not only that, the rear panel which touches the skin is also very smooth. It offers utmost comfort. I really don't know how to express my feelings. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro is super comfortable and yeah, also looks very fashionable. As I bought the base edition, this one comes with a TPU silicone watch band, but it doesn't feel cheap. Altogether, I should say, Xiaomi has made elegance to meet comfy in this Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Before we go through the review process, let's do a quick comparison between Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro and 8 Pro. Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro weighs 31.2 grams. On the other hand, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro weighs 38.5 grams. As it has a larger display, larger TPU watch band and a bigger battery, it weighs a bit more. But it doesn't feel that heavy. Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro has a 1.64-inch AMOLED panel, while Xiaomi 8 Pro comes with a 1.74-inch AMOLED panel, supports 60Hz refresh rate, has a better 480 by 336 pixel resolution, and yeah, pixel per inch density is 336 on Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, while Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro has 326 pixel per inch density. Peak brightness of Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro is 600 nits, while Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro has 500 nits peak brightness. Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro comes with a 235 mAh battery, while Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro has got a better, bigger 289 mAh battery. Okay, to power on this Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, we have to connect the charging cable with the Smart Band. I have read in some documentation that Xiaomi claims this one will offer 14 days of battery life for typical using. With always on display on, it can offer up to 6 days of battery life. I didn't have enough time to check those, but from our heavy usage for the past couple of days, we can guarantee that Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro will actually go beyond 14 days for typical users. And with always on display, this one may go for 7 days if we use scheduled always on display. And I need to mention this one takes only 78 minutes to get fully charged. Well, to connect the Smart Band with any smartphone, we will need an application. It's Xiaomi's self-developed Mi Fit, and I like this application because this is a very colorful application which comes with a user-friendly interface. It's very easy to connect the Smart Band 8 Pro. After the Smart Band 8 Pro is connected to the application, you will notice that there are 4 tabs. The first tab is Health. We can check step count, enter into a competition, check workout data, different health data such as heart rate, steps, calories, moving, standing, blood oxygen, stress, and so on. And we can also add different widgets on this tab. The next tab is Workout. This one is totally dedicated for the people who wanna do some workout like outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, and many other workout options are included. The third tab is all about the device or the devices. We can manage app face and go through a lot of different type of settings like app notification, incoming call notification, background permission, heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, stress, standing, stats, vitality score settings, and a lot other things can be done on this tab. The last tab is Profile. It includes all the data about the user along with some permission settings, and yeah, we can also do a few tweakings on this tab. Well, before we talk about the performance of this Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, let's check some band faces because many other brands are also offering smart bands without any good watch faces. Most important thing is we can have 7 local faces that we can change on the go. But if you are like me, if you want something different every day, then there are a lot of band faces available inside the application. Let's see how it looks. It actually takes a little while to download these watch faces or band displays, whatever you call it. Wow, it looks nice. It really looks gorgeous. I prefer this one because this one not only looks gorgeous, this one is pretty colorful, yet offers a lot of stats at a glance. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro comes with a 1.74-inch AMOLED panel. I have mentioned this earlier, but well, one thing I have to mention, this one is really very smooth as this one supports 60 Hz refresh rate. I have also mentioned that this one has 480 by 336 pixel resolution, 336 ppi, 600 nits peak brightness, and can reproduce 1.67 billion colors, but these numbers means nothing to you. What is more important is, as this is an AMOLED panel, color reproduction is amazingly well. It's natural yet vibrant. It also goes very bright under heavy sunlight, and even under dim lighting condition, this one doesn't flicker a bit. Well, there is a always on display option. We can schedule the always on display from morning to night to save some battery. But if you want, you can use always on display for 24 hours. It doesn't matter, but I wouldn't recommend that. I have already shown that the application Mi Fit comes with a ton of watch faces. If you want to change the watch face, then what you have to do is to press on the display panel for 3 to 5 seconds and well, you will have access to 7 local watch faces. All the watch faces looks pretty gorgeous because the display panel is a premium quality one. Kudos to Xiaomi for using a premium quality display panel in an affordable smart band. Okay, let's move on. If we swipe left to right, then it opens control panel which contains do not disturb, alarm, raise to wake, flashlight, and we can also find our smartphone from this smart band. We have access to settings, battery saver, and we can also click on wake for 5 minutes if we wanna use this smart band for that long. Inside settings menu, we can edit band display. Inside display settings, we can adjust brightness. We can also select auto lock time. We can access always on display from these settings. I have selected smart, but you can select scheduled. We can also select raise to wake, and we can cover the display panel to put this smart band to sleep. There are two vibration modes, strong or normal. I prefer normal because it is already strong enough. What I like about this smart band is this one have this auto detect option. If we are doing any training or exercises, this smart band will automatically detect it and will start recording the data. Inside these settings, we can scroll through notifications, preferences, PIN. Okay, I don't need PIN, but if you want, you can add some password. We can also select app layout, grid mode or list mode. I prefer grid mode. We can also check battery status from this menu, and there is another sub-menu, that is system. We can reboot, power off and reset from that sub-menu. If we swipe from right to left, then there is weather, outdoor running, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring and sleep monitoring. We can scroll through WeChat Pay, Alipay, music, smart AI, and finally we will end up with control panel again. If we swipe from top towards bottom, notifications shade will open up. If we swipe from bottom towards up, then it opens up all the applications and features. We can check stats, calories, steps, standing. There are more than 100 workouts. In addition, there is breath test, there is Xiaomi voice assistant, weather, cards, calendar, events, then music, camera, alarm, focus, stopwatch, timer, flashlight, find your phone, and so on. Sometimes I feel like this is a bit messy design because the features and functions are overlapping each other. I wish Xiaomi will fix this. Okay, finally, let's talk about the real performance. I have continuously tried this blood oxygen monitoring for the last few days because most of the smart bands, the budget ones, fails to deliver correct data. But I have noticed that Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro has offered very accurate data, and when it is active for 24 hours, this one continuously measures the data without any issue. I would give this one 9 out of 10 for very accurate and fast blood oxygen monitoring. Heart rate monitoring is as usual, it works fine without any lag, and we can actually select continuous monitoring, irregular BPM, high heart rate alarm or low heart rate alarm in heart rate monitoring. If you really wear this smart band when you go to sleep, this one will continuously monitor heart rate, and when it falls below low heart rate threshold or when it goes above high heart rate threshold, then this one will provide an alarm. This one works perfectly fine. One more time, 9 out of 10 for heart rate monitoring. Okay, Thea has checked the sleep monitoring function. I'm super surprised that Thea said this smart band can really record even down to minutes. Like if she has woke up for a minute in the middle of a night, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro would record that. That's a great performance. But as I feel uncomfortable to go to sleep wearing a smart band, I didn't test it by myself. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro also has stress monitoring. Thea has been trying this one for the past couple of days, and she says that the measurement and the results are really very good because when she do some workout, the stress will go high. When she is not that stressed up, okay, you can see here 22 mild. So I need to mention one more time, most of the health related tests are done by Thea, but I have also checked by myself. Considering the performance, especially health monitoring data, accuracy of the data, super easy application, amazing display panel, and very long battery life, I think Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro offers a very good value for money, especially in the Chinese market. At $58, there is no other option available in the market which can surpass the performance of Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. But the problem is, we don't know whether Xiaomi will release this in global market or not. If you want to import the Chinese edition, then I would say don't, because there are some places in UI, even if you select English as your language, it will still show Chinese. Well, if you understand Chinese, then you can import it, but you also need to think about the shipping cost. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to this channel and support honest content.